Here we go with our bird dog exercise to help build stability in the midsection in our torso. We're going to start in a quadruped position, hands underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips. And from there, you're just going to extend your shoulder, your thumb and foot opposite sides. Bring them back to the middle. Switch to the other side. Back to the middle. Great exercise here again to build that stability. Key point here is to make sure that we don't rotate in the hips. We don't dip that shoulder. And so a tendency here would be when I reach here to lose my balance a little bit here, lock those shoulders in so that they're pointed towards the floor the whole time, lock the hips in so that they're pointed towards the floor the whole time, and focus on the slow movement to make sure that we keep everything stable. That's going to help you become a nice, strong midsection athlete, develop those properties that you need. Let's go.